Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your cost basis using Cash App Investing easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your account if you aren't logged in already. Tap on the Investing tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the stock for which you want to verify your cost basis. Scroll down to the Activity section for that specific stock. Look for your purchase transactions listed there. Identify the specific purchase you want to check. Note the number of shares purchased and the price paid per share. To calculate your cost basis, multiply the number of shares by the purchase price. If you sold any shares from this investment, check the sold section as well. Take note of the sale price and the number of shares sold. Your cost basis may also need to include transaction fees if applicable. To find detailed information on all transactions, tap on the transaction history. Review the summary of your investments to ensure accuracy. If you have multiple purchases at different prices, remember to calculate these individually. Consider reaching out to Cash App support for further assistance if needed. Make sure to keep accurate records for your financial documentation. This process can help you understand your investment performance better. Verify your calculations to confirm your cost basis is correct. Stay informed about tax implications related to your investments. Regularly review your portfolio to manage your investments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.